Welcome to Zwide Media. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe. Don't forget to like, comment and share. Here's a new video for today. Enjoy.
Ubonge Uthando ngedilozi somabhizinisi uzodwa abantu Odume ngokudansa aze asantoze Inanazi. Sanibonani nginibingelele ngiphinde nginamukele kuphi na kuphi lani bulo khona le video. Mangoqala isijona lelikhasi wamolekele igama lami usibonga konke wakandwando Mothanda ungangibiza intatheli ka YouTube. Abantu basale bemangele enkundleni zokuxhumana emva kwevideo esabalele kasaziwayo uzodwa abantu Odume ngokudansa engalifakile idilozi asantoze Inanazi. Osedumeke ngakho lokho abantu abamthandela kona futhi kuyibusiness lakhe elihamba phambili aqashwa left and right. Ubonakala ekhala uzodwa abantu bezitshela ukuthi khona okuthile okungahambi kahle empilweni yakhe. Kanti ke phambilini kune video la bephefuma khona kweminye imicimbi la abonakale khona kumula idilozi ephosela abalandeli bakhe. Uzodwa abantu uthi ukhaliswa indlela abamsupporta ngayo abantu. Usevule inqwaba yamabhizinisi ngakho ke ukuqashwa yize noma kumabona kude bemvalela iminyango nakwezinye indawo. Kodwa abantu uthi bamthanda kunjalo bayamqasha emcimbini yabo eyahlukahlukene. Yona into aziphilisa ngayo lo mdanso wakhe wokusantuza Inanazi. Kanti ke ngima uthi awukayiboni le video bafethu ngicela ukuthi ke ungathi uzwe ngami awubambela uzizwele ukuthi yini le kade ikhalisa uzodwa abantu asethi ke abantu cha abehlise amaphaphu awubambela ungathi uzwe ngami.
Hi guys, to all the people who are in top positions, who sit in boardrooms and meetings, that they get a chance to pick our names, especially mine, Zodo Wabantu. You know, I know you think in Kaliso Febe. I'm so grateful, guys. I'm so fucking grateful. All the people who make that decision to say, Zodo Wabantu, we want her on board. All the major deals, bookings, clubs, chisanyamas, our friends that suggest our names in meetings, things that we couldn't see or have a say because we are not there, but we have people who say our names behind our backs, most especially when it involves money. Ngithanda ukubonga kakhulu. You could be a security guard, a barman, a waitress, a security at the gate of a club or a chisanyama. Ngiyabonga kakhulu to all the people who are at the top, who run accounts, that it's a budget, year-end budget. Oh man, thank you for choosing my name. Thank you so much for choosing my name. I'm Fundanga, but I'm just hungry. I'm hungry every day. I work so hard. Tanukbonga kakhulu. All the media houses, they've been there for me. They've been there. They've been there. Abamameli bani, abafuni kwazi ngozodwa. TV, radio stations. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you. I thank you. I thank you. I'm able to buy eggs and bread and eat. I don't care about the other stuff that you think I want to buy. I want to buy eggs and bread and be happy. Ngiyabonga kakhulu to Amapiano Awards, Metro FM, everyone. I don't want to mention names because some will forget and you'll think I'm choosing. I love you all. Thank you to the people that provide us with work. Thank you. Ngiyabonga. I'm home. I'm not drunk. I'm patong of Feb. There's nothing said in my life. Nothing. Thanda ukubonga nje kuphela.